Hi friends, I'm Sophie. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're here for the very first time, I'm so happy you discovered us. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a new story of thoughtful style. Today's collection is all about lightness and quiet strength. We believe fashion should feel like a gentle companion, supporting your every move without ever demanding attention. That's why we've chosen fabrics that truly care for you. Breathable cotton that keeps you cool, soft linen that refreshes the skin, and smooth blends that follow your natural flow. The designs are simple yet meaningful. Soft cuts, balanced shades, and small details that let your confidence shine in every moment. Whether you're heading out for work, enjoying a slow weekend, or spending time with loved ones, these outfits move with your life, not against it. If this collection inspires you, like this video, share it with someone who values mindful fashion and subscribe for more creations made with care. Stay light, stay confident, because the best style is always the one that feels naturally yours.